In the last video, I shared what is an ATS CV and I gave you guys a template to create a CV yourself, but this template was in LaTeX, so I'm making another video to tell you step-by-step method on how to actually use that template, which is LaTeX software. And we will be using Overleaf and we will import the LaTeX file, and then we will see how easily we can import our data there. It's hardly 10 to 15 minutes, and then you can make a very good looking, simple, easy to read CV for yourself. However, if you do not want to do all of this yourself, I'm giving a very good offer for my viewers, and the offer is that for the first 10 people who watch this complete video and contact me and put a comment under this video will get my services free of cost to edit their CV according to this template. I will use your CV and I will transform it into this template free of cost. All you have to do is watch this complete video, subscribe my channel and put a comment under the video that you want the free services from myself. Anyways, let's start and see how we can actually do it. 2 minutes, you can easily make this template yourself. So this is the link that I have shared with you guys, and I will put it again in this video description. And when you go there, you see this page and it tells you a bunch of things. Basically, it's GitHub page. And these are some of the screenshots. And this is that main template that we are going to use, because it doesn't have any, icons, etc., which are not that ATS friendly. And it's very beautiful. It has 2 color scheme and it looks very professional. So we are going to use this, but if you want, you can use any of them. They are free of cost and you can easily use them for your own CV. So all you have to do is go to the templates, and then we are basically using the Star Rover template, and in this there are 2 different files here. So we are interested in this .tex file. Click on this one and it will open up this code in front of you. Now you have to go to another page and just write overleaf.com and you will reach here. You can just log in with your Google or anything and you can make a free account. You don't need to do the upgradation, etc. This free account works very well. So all you have to do is open up a new project, blank. You can write here my CV, just simply create it, and then it will open up a bunch of things for you. And then you can copy your code from here. You can select all of it, copy it, you can download it, copy it, and then you just put it here in the code editor. I just did Control V all of it. And then you click here on recompile and this whole CV will come in front of you. And here on the left hand side you have all the text, on the right hand side you have the output. And how to start editing. Before start editing, let me give you a brief overview of what this actually is. Anything that starts with this percentage symbol is not counted. These are basically comments, and you have to look for all of this is pre-formatting, pre-document text, like which package to use and what fonts to use, how long should be the title and everything, and colors. So all you have to do is to look for this begin document. This is on line number 85 here, and then it tells you like where you can edit. For example, here it tells you that you can write your name here. So all you can select this one and just write your name. Your changes will not definitely immediately be reflected here. You have to recompile them to show it here. So you can see now this text has been changed. Similarly, you can change your phone number here. You can see that it's 123450 here. You can write anything here. If your phone number is, whatever it is. So you can type your number, and you can use the recompile every time, or you can use the recompilation later on as well. And similarly, you can put your email, your usernames. One of this is hidden here, which is the LinkedIn one. So for example, if you don't have your website, so you can easily, instead of removing it all, you can just put percentage symbol in front of it, and then that will be removed from there. See? And if you really want to have the LinkedIn there, which I highly recommend that you should have, you can just remove the percentage symbol and it will come in front of them. And when you recompile them, these links will still be clickable. And then let's go to the education section, which is over here. You don't need to do anything at all. You just need to change the text here. and here it's written graduation university. You can change it. For example, I can write here a university name, and then you can mention your degree, the years that you started and doing it, your grade. You can mention the numbers here, CGPA, whatever you want, and you can add things here. If you want to add more thing, so you just have to press enter, or just copy this item here and just rewrite it, and then you can add anything. For example, project management, and then that will also show here, and it's up to you how many do you want them. It's very easy. And then you have to understand that this itemization list starts here and it ends here, so make sure that these columns are there. Then similarly, you can edit your experience here. You can mention whatever the main topic of your main name of your company is, then your basic role there, then what did you perform, your duties, etc. You can mention there. All you have to care about is not to mess up the main syntax. This text, wherever it is written in the black, you can easily edit them. And if you have more than 2 experiences, so you can copy one section here, which is subsection. It starts from here and it ends here. You can see there is another subsection here. So you can copy any subsection and then you can just paste it again and it will come again there. And you can see this one is again intern here. And if you want to have the main company again, then you can use this first one again, for example this Amazon, and then you can put it here and you can write, for example, you maybe worked for Google, it's already written there. So let's suppose you worked for Uber, and whatever you worked for and everything, if you recompile them, we will see them here. So in Google we have 3 positions, we have added another one here as well, and everything can also be edited. Similarly, your skills can be added here. I would highly recommend that you mention your language skills here. For this, we are just gonna copy this item section and we are gonna paste it, mention languages, and we can add German B1, English B2, B2, or whatever your other native language is, Hindi or Urdu. You can write C2 if you're a native speaker, maybe C1, whatever, it's fine for you. Then certifications, similarly you can edit them. For example, if you don't need any specific section, like let's suppose you don't have any publications, so all you have to do is select the whole section and delete it, and then when you recompile it, that section will be gone and you don't have to settle any margins and everything is set up for you guys. Similarly, if you want to add another section, you can copy one section and paste it, rename it, add your data, and then that's it. When you're done with doing all of this, which won't be, I don't think it takes more than 10 to 15 minutes, you can easily click here and it will download the PDF for you guys, my CV, and then you can see it that CV is for you, ready and steady. And then you can come anytime back and you can edit your CV again. You can save this code for yourself somewhere and then you can keep on editing it. It looks very professional. It's highly ATS friendly. There are no columns, nothing at all used. If you really want to use your photo in it, then maybe you can use this another one. We have this one that is with the photo. You can use this, and if you don't want them, you can also remove this and use the code from the other template as well. However, I think it's very simple and easy as compared to using Microsoft Word, which creates lots of problem, doesn't look good, and there is always some problem in margins and everything, and it doesn't look professional. So I highly recommend you use this LaTeX format for your CV editing. And if you don't want to, I have already given you an offer. Just subscribe to my channel and write a comment to this video and I will edit your CV for you. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you like the content. We will see each other in the next one.